Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to backup your photos to Google on Motorola Razr 60. If you go to the Google Photos app, then you will be able to select whether you want to backup or not. So I'm in the app now, and now I can go to collections to show you that if I go to on this device, the only photos that I have taken on this device is these 6 and these 2 screenshots, and I can back them up by going into these folders and enabling backup. You can also backup screenshots or not. I'll do it. You can also just enable backup all device folders, so all folders will be backed up. Then later on, they will be easily findable and visible in other phones with the Google with the same Google account signed in, and you can even see it because since I only have 8 photos on this device, there should be 8, but I'm signed into a Google account used on other phones as well, and as you can see, I have much more photos. So this is how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.